So, here's the next thing.
You're
This
doing it again.
is a rim keeper. I am. That's a rim keeper. We're going to put this and snap it in here. Okay?
Mhm.
And it snaps in around the chrome. And the chrome goes in this little spot here. So we're going to snap that in. And then we're going to take the spoons and we're going to work the rim all the way around to this piece. Okay?
Like
Got
to
it?
where it's like this.
Mm-hmm. And you're going to roll it on a little bit at a time, all the way around with your spoons till you get to the rim keeper.
Question. If it's supposed to look like this with it over top.
It's not.
I just asked you that and you said yes.
All right. So, snap that in. It just clips right in. Doesn't take a lot of force. Just clips right in. You got it. I mean, your string's in the way now. There you go.
Okay.
All right. Here. You go. Hold the camera. So, look. We're going to start one side. We're going to pinch it in. And like I said, just lost it. There we go. Then we're going to snap it in.
Okay.
Like that. Okay. All right. Now, we're going to start right here on this rim. We're going to work our way around. Yep, you got it. You got the spoon the right way. Yep, now don't grab your tire. You're just grabbing the edge of the metal. You dig too deep, you'll grab your tube and you'll pinch a tube. You're going to need both of them. Don't dig too deep.
Thank you.
Yep, now hold it way down. Now grab with the next one. Right side. Well, it's upside down. There you go. And grab right here, side. Yep, push down. Now grab the other one. There you go. Now you got it. Now you're gonna walk that thing all the way around. Walk it, walk it, walk it.
What do you mean walk it? Oh yeah. I'm just doing it a little slow. Oops.
Yep, don't get too deep. You don't want to grab your... Yep. You got it, kid. Get that dude on around.
Nope.
Mm-hmm. You got it. When you get a little stronger, you'll take bigger bites than this. You'll go like all the way up in here. But this is perfect for a first time ever. Yeah, the further you roll that one down behind it, the easier it is to get that next bite. Let's see if I can help you out a little bit. There you go. You're on. That's it. You're done. All right. Let's go put some air in it.
Okay.